Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when but3-in-2-one reacts with NaBH3CN. Product choices are A. 2-butanone, B. but3-in-2-ol, C. 1-butene, D. butane. Answer is B. but3-in-2-ol. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the but3-in-2-one, which contains one alkene part and one carbonyl part. When it reacts with the reagent NaBH3CN, the product is but3-in-2-ol. The reagent NaBH3CN is a very selective reagent. It can reduce only the carbonyl part but cannot reduce the alkene part. Thank you for watching this video.